Hello everyone. Today is 25th of May 2022 and it's my original video. My name is Akshay Kumar Dattatre Bhagat. So our today's topic is the array list. So basically array list is comes in the collection framework. So the reason behind the development of array list is when we are dealing with an array. So at that time, we are having an disadvantage of that. The size of the array has been fixed. So this disadvantage has been minimized in our array list. So an array list is an actually contiguous of similar types of data and it is automatically growable, means internally it is growing. So array list implements the list interface and extends the collection. So basically we will see what is array list. So actually while we are studying with an array list, we are we cannot use the primitive data types. At that time we deal with the wrapper class. So basically as we are when we are studying on array, at that time we are using the primitive non primitive data types, that is int, boolean, char, and other primitive double, float. So while doing studying on the array list, we are we are dealing on the objects and the wrapper class. So in array list, we can add the elements and remove the elements, it actually internally it's all implementation is going on. But through array list, our process has been so much fast. But the if we think of the internal implementation, at that time the internal implementation is little bit hard. So internally it is implementing the array concept only. But if we are having an array list, then why array is been introduced or why we are using arrays? So basically we have to study as a basic part array. So the array list internally uses the array concept only. But due to the some disadvantages, this array list has been introduced. So in array list, there are different ready-made methods which we are using. So that is remove method, is empty method, length method, add method, and then remove method, then caret method, caret, then add method, add at index element method, then direct add method. So like this we are having and different ready-made methods in ArrayList. So ArrayList is just developed to the ease of the programmer, and in ArrayList we are dealing with the generics. So what basically generic means? So generic means we can have any primitive data type. We can deal with any non-primitive data type. Means suppose we are having an one list. So we are dealing with an object. So at that time the object can be of any type. Means we can use string, integer, or character, any double, float, any data type we can any wrapper class we can use, and have an we can have an work with on array list. So like this we can work on the array list, and array list as it implements the list interface, and it is a part of the collection framework in Java. So the primitive data types is not supported in when we are studying with an array list. An array list follows the insertion order, as it is an index base as that of the arrays, and again it is automatically growable. The memory required for the array list is more because it dynamically grows. So it as it dynamically grows, it requires little bit more memory. And also while removing the elements, it automatically removes the our older array if it is of more size. So like this, it is an totally internal implemented, that is ArrayList. So this is all about the ArrayList. Thank you.